Easterfest 2013. You're watching Easterfest TV.
How's it going?
Good. How are you?
Oh, pretty flippin' fantastic. So what are these shirts you have on?
This is for Mueller College. We've come with the group, so yeah.
Come on, everybody say hi.
Hello!
I know you. So whereabouts you all from?
Brisbane! Mueller!
In English, please. What was that?
Mueller College.
Mueller College. Okay. Hey, how's it going?
Pretty good, actually. Getting oxygen through me, so all the oxygen just going through my veins.
That's a really random thing to say. Let's give these people some help, shall we?
I'll admit, kind of struggling, but you know, these things happen.
We're not talking
You're tall. Could you help us?
Okay, you can interview.
You can ask us a question while he's doing it.
What's this? Can you show us? I've just seen what looks like a jacuzzi. So this is your bed at night time. Do you worry about dew?
No, this is not a night. This is our day bed.
Oh, a day bed.
Occasionally we go get some food.
Interesting. Just helping you with this pole.
Thanks, man.
So how far are we actually walking?
We're actually going back to Gladstone.
Thank goodness. Oh, you're going?
Yeah, we're going back to Gladstone with it.
That's a long walk. You've got LED lights in the top. Check this out. Just look at that. Hey mate, what's your name?
Alexander.
How you going, man? That's okay. We're here with Josh, and I have to get right down. How you doing, man? That was some really sweet guitar playing I just heard.
I'm gonna do some busking somewhere in Easterfest sometime.
You're quite set up for, how old are you, mate?
8.
That's fantastic. Is there anything you want to say to all the Easterfest people?
Have a great time at Easterfest. Josh is out.